today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. Whether you're planning a catch-up with your team or setting up a virtual coffee chat, scheduling meetings on Google Meet is a breeze once you know how. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your meeting on the books in 5 minutes flat. So let's jump right in and make sure you can stay connected and organized. First up, we need to head over to the Google Meet website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in meetgoogle.com. Once there, you'll notice a sign-in option sitting comfortably at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and choose the Google account you want to use. It's essential to be logged into the correct account, especially if you're managing multiple projects with different teams. Once you're all signed in and you're looking at the home page of Google Meet, things get even simpler. Next, click on New Meeting. This will bring up a few different options. For our purpose of scheduling, we will select Schedule in Google Calendar. This option redirects you seamlessly to your Google Calendar, which is the central hub for scheduling any of your Google Meet meetings. Here's where the fun begins. In Google Calendar, type in the event name for your meeting. Make it something descriptive so everyone knows what to expect. Perhaps it's a weekly team sync or a client call. After entering the name, choose the date of your meeting. Use the calendar tool to navigate through the weeks quickly, find your desired meeting date, and click on it. Now, we can't forget the time. Pick a time that works for everyone involved. If you need to invite international participants, make sure you consider time zone differences. You'll also want to fill in additional details in the description box. This is a great place to add the agenda, key points of discussion, or any files participants should review beforehand. Now for the final step. Once all your details are perfectly in place, your event name, date, time, and description, there's only one thing left to do. Click Save at the top of the page. Congratulations! You've just scheduled your Google Meet meeting. Google Calendar will automatically send email invitations to all invitees, so there's nothing else you need to worry about. So, that's it. A quick and easy guide to scheduling a Google Meet meeting in record time. Following these steps ensures that your virtual meetings are set up smoothly, leaving you more time to focus on what really matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to make the most of your digital workspace. Until next time, happy scheduling!